International Institute of Digital Marketing is a global certifying body founded in the USA by several long-standing marketers. We have years of experience in business, marketing, and more, and have put forth our combined experience to develop International Institute of Digital Marketing. The Website Marketing Master 2 course teaches you how you can use Google, one of the biggest tech companies around, to help you in marketing. How you can use Twitter, one of the biggest social media platforms around, to help you in marketing. In this sub-course, you will learn how to use these to your advantage, and how to find new opportunities with them as well. This course covers how to market for the biggest websites in large use across the world. Google, being one of the biggest tech companies in the world, is explored on the basis of market reach, utilizing its different platforms like YouTube and Google for opening more and more opportunities for your brand. The course also covers the massively popular social media platform Twitter, how many different organizations use it to increase reach of their brand organically, and how it can be used to provide direct consumer interaction, communication, and assistance. This course was made with existing and new social media marketers in mind, those who may be experienced with marketing for social media websites, but might have yet to dip into the advanced side of things. This was an International Institute of Digital Marketing informational video. To learn more, please visit www.thedigitalmarketinginstitute.org or subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more.